Hey everyone, Motor Rally here, and today we're filling this in. Big up Hisham for sending me this lovely breaker from the EP2 and the EP3 owners group. And also we've got BRGraphics, which I bought these lovely gel glitter overlays to replace these on. Big up them as well. We're gonna put these on now. Right, so stepping in the car, we've got one of the badges which will replace this one here. As you can see, it just looks so much better. Like this badge, like it's got a holographic and some glitter in it. I didn't see that, but yo, big up BRGraphics. Link in the description. Like this will replace that. So let's get this done. Yo, look at that, look at the glitter and everything. I have put it a bit wonky because I'm an idiot and I've put it like that, but it looks so cool. Like, damn. Onto the back, let's go. Boom, look at this. Got a holographic H and then a glitter purple, and it just looks really nice. I can't stick it down properly because I'm stupid. Like, if you watch my wrapping videos, they are awful because I'm so bad at sticking things down. But yeah, £15 for all three. Very good, very good. You don't have to pay anything extra. It's like £15 for all three. Very good quality as well. It's just, if I could stick it down properly, I would. Because I bet you people who actually stick it down properly will be able to get a very nice looking finish on it, but I still think this is epic, man. Right, okay, now let's get this installed and let's go, boom. Right, first things first, we need to get these clips out, which we did in the last video, and we just want to take this out and put this to the side. And now we have the same clips on the back side of the bumper here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's take these out and take this bit off. Got it out, so let's clean up this bit, wrap the new one on and install the bumper. Let's go, boom. Right, boom, we've got it all installed. I hope you guys like that little, little cinematic. But the glitter on this looks so nice. But there's one thing, because we all know who I am. I am Yanamiz's cousin's Crapamize, and I can't stick anything down to save my life. Like, I can't even wrap these properly, can't wrap this properly, can't stick this down properly. So what I'm gonna do is, over the next few videos, well, first of all, I have to get a POV done, because I've yet to drive this like first person view yet, so we need to do that first. But I need to, what I think I need to do is start a little, my first project for the car. Let's name it, I don't know, Project Sparkle, because of how much it sparkles. But basically what I'm thinking is to debadge all the 3 badges and then just stick it in its place. And I think it'll be more of a flush fit. Like, I mean, it's gonna happen to me because I'm using the this is an SE version, so that's my excuse. This is an SE. Yeah, yeah. No, my excuse is I'm just crap at just taking things down. But yeah, apart from that, I hope you guys like this. If you have an EP2, EP1 or EP3 and you need to sell it, hit up Hisham. Or if you need to buy parts for your EP2 or EP3 or EP1 like I did, again hit up Hisham. And these graphics that you want, hit up BRGraphics UK. They do it for Fords as well, and I think BMW, so also do them. But hit them up and, you know, contact them, and maybe they can get something going for you. But these are really sick. I should stick them properly. But yeah, I hope you guys like this. Hit them up, link in the description. Make sure to subscribe as well, because I need a subscriber. I'm joking. No, but yeah, consider hitting that subscribe button to help me out. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Well, pal.